How to unzip a list of tuples into individual lists. Possible duplicate, a transpose/unzip function in Python. I have a list of tuples, where I want to unzip this list into two independent lists. I'm looking for some standardized operation in Python. I'm looking for a succinct and Pythonic way to achieve this. Basically, I'm hunting for inverse operation of zip function.
Use zip list. The zip function pairs up the elements from all inputs, starting with the first values, then the second, etc. by using LU. Apply all tuples in L as separate arguments to the zip function. So zip pairs up 1 with 3 with 8 first, then 2 with 4 and 9. Those happen to correspond nicely with the columns, or the transposition of L. Zip produces tuples. If you must have mutable list objects, just map the tuples to lists or use a list comprehension to produce a list of lists. If you want a list of lists, if a list of tuples is okay,
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.